Boracay. We are going to take our breakfast, and they are offering breakfast buffet because it's inclusive. We only need to present this coupon or voucher.
From Korea?
No, Pinoy.
Pinoy.
This is my brother vlogging. OMG, two people vlogging in the breakfast buffet.
Yeah, that's the breakfast buffet in Coast.
OMG, it's awesome up here, guys. I am at the rooftop of Coast Boracay. It's amazeballs, and we'll be flying the drone today. Super excited. Coast Boracay is one of the security guys. Yeah. Just within this building, okay.
Hey guys, it's 1:30 in the afternoon and we have an appointment. We're going to have an island tour. It's a private boat, just the three of us, different islands. Two of them have entrances, and one is snorkeling, and we will be having a helmet diving. So that's the last activity for today. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Now I'm excited.
Okay guys, I will be showing you how the process, like you must need to find or look for a good price. Like ask 5 persons who are offering services and water activities like island hopping, at least 5, and then choose the lowest. And of course include your hotel, but hotel is always expensive than the outside people who are offering services. Like this guy, I choose him because his price is affordable and cheap compared to the 5 ones that I talked last night. We just rented a small boat because the big boat is more expensive than the small one. Yeah, enjoy the beach guys. Look, it's a little bit gloomy. Maybe later the sun will show up or not. Look at that. Kuya, ano yan? Ano yan? Bahay? Ay, bahay ba? Kawayan. What a question, bahay. Ano station to, kuya? Station 3. Look, plenty of vendors here. Look at behind me. Plenty of vendors on station 3. For security purposes, we need to log in, the 3 of us, put our details for the Coast Guard information. Like this one. Our boat has arrived. Let's just pray that my equipment is okay after this trip.
This is our boat. So we'll be taking this one to go island hopping.
That was scary for my equipment.
Hi guys, so we are going island hopping right now. Super excited, and this will be my first time. And yeah, thanks to my bro for taking me. I'm just so excited. Oh my gosh, should be really fun. The weather isn't as great as it should be, but nonetheless it should still be fun because this is Boracay and the islands should be super beautiful.
There's a lot of traffic here, so we hope we can get out as soon as possible. We have been sandwiched by 2. Look, here we go. Okay guys, we are here in Crystal Cove Island. Really bumpy ride.
60 mabingla kasi ba?
Did you see that? That was crazy. Look at that. Just follow the guide. This way to Cove 1. Okay guys, I'm sorry if it's too windy because it is windy, and this behind me it's making a lot of big waves, and then you know, that's why it's windy out there. I need to lower the microphone level, so I hope it's not too buzzy. This is what they call Cove 1. And we are going underground. You see that? It's a little bit narrow. Wow, fucking hell, look at that. Oh, one by one. There is a cave under, and you can take photos, pictures, and look at this surge of water. Whoa.
It's nice in here.
We're going up now. We're done photo shooting here.
One more? Lana?
We are done in Cove 1. We are going to the next. To be honest, there's a lot to explore, but we need to follow the guide. This is interesting. Feed a bird, lose a finger.
One, two.
Too windy, too windy. Whoa, look at that, guys. Hey guys, we are on the exit now. We are going out of the cove, riding the boat again, and to the second destination. See you there.